Have you ever wondered why rainy nights are extremely dangerous for tiny baby sparrows in your neighborhood? During heavy rain at night, many baby sparrows face life-threatening situations that most people never see. Tonight, we will reveal exactly why rainy nights are so dangerous for baby sparrows. Stay until the end because the final reason might shock you and change how you see rain forever. Number 1. Heavy rain can make baby sparrows extremely cold within just a few minutes. Baby sparrows have very few feathers and cannot maintain their body temperature properly at night. When cold rain hits them, their body temperature drops dangerously fast and they become weak. Number 2. Strong rain can quickly flood the nests where baby sparrows are hiding. Many sparrow nests are built in low places that fill with water during heavy rain. Baby sparrows can drown or get swept away in water on rainy nights. Number 3. Parent sparrows find it very difficult to feed their babies in heavy rain. Wet wings make flying almost impossible, so parents cannot bring food easily at night. Baby sparrows go hungry for long hours during continuous rainy nights. Number 4. Loud thunder and heavy rain sounds scare baby sparrows badly. The loud noise causes extreme stress that weakens their small bodies even more. Many baby sparrows die from fear and exhaustion during stormy, rainy nights. Number 5. Rain can completely damage the fragile feathers of baby sparrows. Wet feathers lose their ability to keep the baby sparrow warm and dry. Without proper feathers, baby sparrows cannot survive cold, rainy nights. Number 6. Many baby sparrows fall from nests when wet branches become slippery. Wet leaves and branches make it impossible for tiny sparrows to hold on tightly. Falling from height is often fatal for small, helpless baby sparrows. Number 7. Insects that baby sparrows eat hide away during heavy rain. With no food available, the babies become weak and helpless very quickly. Number 8. Cold rainwater can cause serious infections in baby sparrows. Their immune system is not strong enough to fight against wet and cold conditions. Many baby sparrows get sick and die after just one rainy night. Number 9. Mother sparrows cannot keep all babies warm during heavy rain. Some babies get pushed to the edge and suffer more from cold and rain. Number 10. Rainy nights are when most baby sparrows disappear forever. The combination of cold, hunger, fear, and wet conditions becomes deadly for them. This is why you see fewer baby sparrows after every heavy rainy night. But there are small things you can do to help baby sparrows survive. Putting up small shelters can save many baby sparrows from heavy rain. Keeping nest boxes dry and protected makes a big difference at night. Leaving shallow water dishes helps parent sparrows during rainy nights. Not disturbing nests during rain gives baby sparrows a better chance to survive. Understanding these dangers helps us protect baby sparrows much better. Rainy nights are silent killers for the youngest and weakest baby sparrows. Nature is beautiful, but it can also be very harsh for baby birds. Baby sparrows need our awareness and small help during rainy nights. Next time it rains heavily, think about the baby sparrows outside. Even a small dry shelter can save many innocent baby sparrow lives. The survival of baby sparrows depends on how much we understand their struggles. Rain brings life to plants, but death to many baby sparrows at night. This balance of nature is both beautiful and heartbreaking at the same time. Now you know why rainy nights are so dangerous for baby sparrows. Share this knowledge with others who care about birds and nature. Small actions by us can make rainy nights safer for baby sparrows. Thank you for watching and caring about these tiny, fragile lives. Have you ever found a baby sparrow after a heavy rainy night? Please share your personal experiences in the comment section below. I read every single comment and truly appreciate your real stories. Hit subscribe for more important and useful bird awareness videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss any new episodes. Next time it rains heavily, remember the baby sparrows outside. Your small help and awareness can save many innocent lives. Baby sparrows completely depend on our kindness during rainy nights. Nature needs our understanding, care, and protection more than ever. Every rainy night is a big survival challenge for baby sparrows. Let us make their survival a little easier with small efforts. Knowledge is the first and most important step towards helping them. Share this video with your family members and friends. Together, we can create a safer world for baby sparrows. Rain should bring hope, not tragedy, for these little sparrows. The more we know, the more we can protect baby sparrows. Baby sparrows deserve a fair chance even on rainy nights. Your awareness and actions can make a real difference. Thank you for watching this important video about baby sparrows. Every baby sparrow saved is a victory for nature and us. Rainy nights do not have to be deadly for baby sparrows. Small shelters and awareness can completely change their survival rate. Let us be the hope and protection for baby sparrows. Nature is counting on caring people like you every rainy night. Baby sparrows are the future of our beautiful bird world. Protect them during rainy nights with love, care, and awareness. Your actions today will help many sparrows survive tomorrow. Never underestimate the power of small kindness towards baby sparrows. Baby sparrows are counting on our compassion and understanding. Rain brings life to nature, but we must protect the vulnerable ones. Share this message so more people become aware about baby sparrows. Every rainy night is a real test for baby sparrows. Let us pass this test together with care and action. The world becomes better when we care for the smallest lives. Baby sparrows teach us the true value of protection and kindness. Thank you for watching and caring about these tiny sparrows. Your support helps spread important awareness about baby sparrows. Until next time, keep watching over our feathered friends. Rainy nights are dangerous, but we can make them safer. Together, we can make a real difference for baby sparrows. Never ignore the silent struggle of baby sparrows on rainy nights. Every baby sparrow matters in the beautiful circle of life. Spread kindness and awareness for these little sparrows. Nature needs more caring hearts like you every rainy night. Baby sparrows deserve safety and protection even in heavy rain. Your knowledge and awareness can save many lives tonight. Let us create a safer and kinder world for baby sparrows. Rain should bring joy and life, not danger, for baby sparrows. The white dove that visits you twice is a divine blessing. See you in the next video with more important bird stories.